5, isn't it? Okay. So here, what are we having? We're having negative 5 plus negative times negative is a positive. 7 equal to negative 3. Negative times negative is a positive plus 5. So you can see this is 2 equal to 2. Okay, so here guys, we have an AP. So we don't have to worry about common sense or a GP. Where this 2 represents the common difference, isn't it? The common difference, the D. Alright. So now, if I can take you back to grade 12 or junior secondary school, we know the nth term formula for an AP. What is the nth term formula for an AP? The nth term formula for an AP is equal to L1 plus n minus 1 D, isn't it? Okay. This is an equal sign. Okay. So what is our first term? A1 represents the first term, which is negative 7. So this will be negative 7 plus n minus 1, 2. Then you're going to multiply these 2 with everything that is in here. So you're going to have negative 7 plus 2n minus 2. So negative 7 minus 2 is negative 9. So your an is equal to 2n minus 9. So this is the nth term formula that you have. Alright? This is the nth term formula that you have. Okay, again, feel free to pause the video and write. Yeah, I'm just trying to be fast, a little fast. That I'm just making like a video for you, like a short video for you guys. So I can really try to pause the video and follow it up. Yeah, it's allowed, no wonder it's a video. Okay, so now, what is our B going to be? So our B is going to be x, such that x is equal to the nth term, which is 2n minus 9. Then what follows, guys? It's a domain now for n. So we're going to say for 1, you start with 1. For 1 is less than or equal to n, less than or equal to, you count them. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4. Okay, so this is your answer. Alright. So let's look at C. C is following a pattern of 2, 4, 6, 8. This 163 is not 163. This was a mistake. It's supposed to be a bracket here. Sorry guys, it's supposed to be a bracket here. So you can check it's following 2, 4, 6. So let's try. I know there's a pattern of even numbers, right? But let's try to check if it's an AP or a GP. So for an AP, let's try to check for a common difference. Common difference is A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2, isn't it? So this will be 4 minus 2 equal to 6 minus 4. What is the answer here? 2. Already you can see that this is an AP because these two answers are the same, isn't it? So if these two answers are the same, then it's an AP, the common difference, isn't it? Alright, then what's the nth term formula for an AP? An AP is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 D here, isn't it? Where our A1 is the first term, which is 2 plus n minus 1. What is our D? Our D is 2. What we found here, we found this was 2, isn't it? 2. Now we're going to multiply our 2 throughout here. Alright. So we're going to multiply our 2 throughout. Our answer is going to be AN is equal to 2 plus 2n minus 2, isn't it? Now 2 minus 2 is what? Is 0. So it is 2n. So our nth term formula is 2n. So now how is our set C in set B notation going to be? So C is going to be equal to x such that x is equal to 2n, isn't it? Now 2n, you have written this, but describe what your n is. What is your n? You're going to say 4 sorry. You start with 1. 4, 1 is less than or equal to n. Then count them. How many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 here. There was supposed to be a 14, isn't it? There are 8. There are 8. Like that. This was supposed to be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. So there are 8 of them. There was a mistake there. Alright guys, let's look at the last question. So our last question, our D is saying 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Alright, okay. Let's try it. I don't want you to overthink, but just test it in 3 things, either AP, GP, or common sense. So let's try for an AP. D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to A3 minus A2. So what is our A2? Our A2 is 4 minus 1.